Oh, hey friends, it's Josh from Anodos Law in Santa Barbara on a walk with my buddy Dodger. Hey Dodger. Good times. Thought we'd do a little summary in this video of the 3 primary services that Anodos Law provides to clients in California. These are, number 1, the drafting of the estate plan. The thing that we think is differentiates us from others is that we're really fast. Like we get the documents out to the client within 72 hours of the intake meeting. We also are pretty cost effective with the fee. We charge about half what our colleagues in California charge. Current fee is about $6,000 in most metro areas. We're $3,100 for the standard estate and trust package. We mostly focus on families with non-taxable estates, where the planning is more about the orderly disposition of the assets rather than some of the sophisticated planning that's done for families with assets in excess of, $15-20 million, depending on what the exemption amount is. Second product, so that's the EstateDocs. Second product is the estate audit. This is where mom or dad are getting old. Nobody's read the trust documents in years. And one of the kids says, probably a good idea to have somebody read those trust documents. Nobody's read them since Johnny Depp was cool. And so that's another service we provide, reviewing other people's estate plans. So the drafting attorney for mom or dad is probably has too much work, or is retired, or is dead if they drafted them 15-20 years ago. So we'll step in and do a review of the estate plan, look at how the assets are vested, do what we call an estate audit to make sure that all the T's are crossed and I's are dotted, so that when mom or dad die, there's a nice orderly process to follow, because we've already identified any of the impediments to a smooth settlement, and we've solved those. Last service that we provide is the estate settlement service. This is where mom and or dad has now died. Eldest daughter is responsible for wrapping everything up because she's the responsible one of the kids. And she's got a day job being an architect or a doctor or a soccer coach or whatever it is she's doing. And she doesn't have the 80 hours over a 12 to 24 month period to do all of the 100+ action items that are required in an estate settlement. And so eldest daughter hires Anodos Law to basically be her glorified secretary through the process, to make sure all the T's are crossed, I's are dotted, everything's done right. We usually can get most estates settled within 6 months of date of death if we've got a successor trustee who's responsive and will answer phone calls when we call. So those are the 3 services. We primarily get clients through CPAs and investment advisors, the most trusted advisor for their client. We understand our job is kind of a transactional deal. The client may need help for this particular planning, but we're not going to be in a relationship with them forever. It's you, the CPA or investment advisor, that regularly meets with them, knows the family, knows the client's facts. You're the one that's going to be there the longest. We're just supposed to get in, get out, do our work, and hopefully the clients forget about our name within a year. Anodos Law is the name of the company. Trustee-help is the website. Give us a call if you think we can help. Ciao.